Singh, Director Project Elephant in the Ministry of Environment and Forest. And basically, you all know that we have declared this elephant as a national heritage animal. And the population, if you think about 2007, then it was 27,964. And now we are going our new census. It must be definitely more than 31,000 plus. So what now we are thinking about in the ministry that we should have exclusively project. And from 1992, we have initiated a project called Project Elephant. And this project is not only for the wild elephant, it is for the domestic elephants also, for the captive elephants also. So we are thinking about how we are going to have much more welfare and conservation for the elephants. So it's a project initiated by the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Being a director of that project, we are now trying to educate the local people. And with the help of WTI, we have just started a campaign which was started in May 2011 with our initiation of E8 conference. And now we are trying to take this educational campaign to different states and getting this advantage of having this Science Express here. We take this opportunity to put it here, a small sort of, so because a lot of students will be here, a lot of local people will be here. So we will try to disseminate this information or message to all that unless until we will not save this animal. Because if you talk about biodiversity conservation, elephant is one of the important animal into it. So if you think about, and then there are so many other issues involved into it, but basically to just give a message to the local people that save this majestic animal. And so if you want to save ourselves also, that is my message.
So through Science Express train, you are trying to make people aware about elephants.
We are taking an advantage of, because if the Science Express is halting here for a couple of days, a lot of people will definitely come to have a look about biodiversity. And so if we are getting the same audience here and then try to educate them, if they can give a couple of minutes also for this sort of thing. So that's why the WTI, they are putting some sort of educational campaign.
So if we go in the remote areas, people are not very aware about presence of elephants. So how you are taking forward your movement?
No, we have, I mean, if you talk about in all the states, we have our own nodal offices. And then we have a particular scheme, a centrally sponsored scheme called Project Elephant. By that, we give the money every year to all the states. And one of the component is about to educate the local people, to create awareness among the masses. So by doing so, we are trying to go to the remote areas also and trying to tell them the importance of this elephant.